Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, hopefully making this a little easier. I'm going to rotate both the boxes. I'm going to Control G and group them together, double click on and put my rotation in the center. Like always, it doesn't look like it is. But now we have all our boxes. We need to select them all and go to Object and Ungroup. Now, the 12 is easy. Put it in here, Control. I'm holding down the Shift key, then hit C and E, and it puts it in the center. And that's one reason I started doing the second video. You need to make sure your boxes are in the center to start with. On the other video, I started with a number and made a box, and then rotated around. And you need to make sure your 12 is top dead center. Now the 11 is a little bit harder, but it's a lot easier just to type them out, all the numbers, and then Control K and break them apart. But let's what, I'm gonna hold down Shift, CE. Our 11 is like a normal clock would be, but he's making this special kind of clock. But you know it's 30 degrees. And rotate it 30 degrees. And now your 11 is like that. Let's just take the 1, holding down the Shift, hitting the box, CE. Now this time we need to rotate it the opposite of 30 degrees. So you can have a negative 30, or you can type in 330. And then you just keep doing that around. Before, I think he was distributing the numbers, but this way you can just put them in there. Let's go with the 3, holding down the Shift, hit the 3, CE or EC. Now this one, we need to rotate 90 degrees, or really 270 degrees. And actually the box is going to tell you what to rotate it. There's a box at 240 degrees. Let's see what the 2 is. So it tells you it's 300 degrees. So let's go Shift, hold, EC or CE, does not matter. And the box was, we'll click on the box is rotated 300 degrees, so we'll take our letter and rotate it 300 degrees. And there you go. To me, that would be the easiest way to put the numbers. And then they would all be perfect. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.